IT Fact or Fiction presented by Arrow. Fact or fiction? Over the next 5 years, fear of data breaches will be the main reason why enterprise companies decide to migrate their data back on-premise from the cloud.
That's a fact. We've seen that a lot of workloads went up to the cloud. People are seeing what works for them, what doesn't work for them. But as we're seeing in Europe with GDPR, there's a lot of interest in where is my data, who has access to it, what happens if an incident occurs, and then what are the ramifications of it. So while some workloads will remain out there, I think core information or things that have become mission critical again or have policy ramifications will be necessitated to move back on-prem for a lot of organizations. There'll still be plenty of workloads in the cloud, but I think organizations that are interested in a much higher security profile will start to move some of those things back in-house to have a much tighter control over them.
Fiction. So while security is a compelling argument for organizations to move from the cloud back to prem, I believe that cost would really be that driving factor that would make consumers, both on an enterprise level and a smaller level, make that decision to go back to our on-prem devices. So cost encompasses server licenses, support, management, personnel training. Because of those factors, there's a huge cost associated with it. Use what you need when you need it has been the foundational ideology for the hybrid cloud consumption. So organizations can react faster, spin up resources when needed, and be able to monitor and leverage what they need and how much they spend for it.
IT Fact or Fiction. Discussion provided by Arrow.